Hello, Bulldogs. In today's lesson, we want you to show us that you can use economic indicators to compare quality of life in EU and non-EU countries. And you should remember that quality of life is the well-being of a people in a country, how happy, how healthy, how wealthy they are, how safe they are. All of that makes up a person's quality of life. You will be looking at countries that are all located in Europe, but some of them are part of an organization called the European Union, and some of them are not part of that organization. You should also remember that European Union was an organization that was created in Europe to make it easier for the countries to trade with each other and to work cooperatively to solve their problems. The countries you will be looking at that are part of the EU are Spain, Italy, Greece. And the countries that are not part of the European Union that you will be looking at are Norway, Serbia, and Montenegro. And in order to make conclusions about their quality of life, remember, you can look at some data, you can look at some economic indicators to make your conclusions. There are a couple of things that you might not be familiar with on the chart that you will be looking at today. The first one is the rank. The rank means is what place or position is the country compared to other countries. You want to be at the top, so you want to be ranked number one. You do not want to be at the bottom and ranked number 200, for example. Another number is HDI value. That is a number used to rank quality of life. The closer to 1, the better the quality of life. So for example, 0.904 is closer to 1 than 0.888. So we can make a conclusion that the quality of life in Spain is a little bit better based on the HDI value than in Greece. And then the other data you should already be familiar with. You will be looking at life expectancy, or how long an average person is expected to live. You will be looking at GDP per capita, or the average amount of money a person makes per year in that country. And you will also be looking at the country's literacy rate. That is the number of country's people that can read and write in percent. And so you will be looking at this a chart similar to the one that you're looking at, and you will be making conclusions about quality of life or whether this country is more developed or less developed. Good luck, Bulldogs.